We're here at Dutch Craft Furniture Showroom here in Berlin, Ohio, right at the 3962 split. Can't miss it. It's right across from Kaufman Country Accents. Let's go inside and look at some furniture. Do a little walkthrough and look at some of the furniture and items they've got. Look at these live edge. Got the gravel in there like a creek. Beautiful blue swirls. It goes on and on and on. Lots of furniture, all hardwood, beautifully made Amish furniture. Bedroom sets. This is right at the 3962 split. Can't miss it. Give you a little idea of the depth. This is one little area. There's more. Let's go explore a little more. Oh, looky here. If you want a place to put your trash can, it just kind of hides us in there. It's very nice. Keeps it nice and clean, and it's not sitting out in the middle of the room. Here's the main entrance area. Lots of tables. Barrel table, that is pretty cool. And they'll put your name right in there. Or whatever logo you want with your company. So right when you come in the door, it's a big area. You see lots of different things. So